In this video, we are going to see about what is the string formatting in the Python. So we call as f string or formatting the string. So come to the code editor. Now we will create a file like str.format.py. So I have created this file str.format.py. Here we will define one variable like age equals to 25, and we are just going to print like inside the double quote like I am, and I mentioned age years old. Okay, so now we will try this without the f string. Okay, so now run this program like python str.format.py. okay, so what is coming over here, I am, and the curly braces is years old. Okay, so this is not coming the right as per the need. So our need is to inject this variable value inside this string, so we call as it formatted string. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to append f over here from the starting of the string, so it will call as formatted string, or in short we can say as f string. Now the variable value will coming correct, so what we will get now, I am 25 years old. Okay, so I am 25 years old, we got the output. So this is called as string formatting or f string. Okay, so where is the need for it? So whenever we are going to insert any value of the variable inside the string, like string variable, like integer variable, like float variable, any, like if we call as height, okay, then I have taken height like 5.7. okay, so we will mention this variable over here, and this will print the height inside the string. I am 5.7. okay, okay, so this is the string for the height, so I am 5.7 feet tall. Okay, so this is the string formatting in the Python. I hope you likes this video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.